An operation like this, but Anfang Inga. Klar und deutlich, stopp.
You can see the spacecraft today inside of LSS, that is the larger space simulator. The main goal is to simulate the cold condition that you have in flight, and this is fundamental to evaluate the performance of the instrument that you have. The test was very successful. For all the instruments, I think that you can confirm what they did at the instrument level, now also at the spacecraft level. And from the instrument point of view, you are practically ready for flight. And I think that the industrial team and the ESTEC team are really very proud about the work that they did here.
This is a very exciting moment indeed for the mission team. MetOp is the largest European meteorological satellite ever built. The Payload Module is well, the main part, I would say, of the most sensitive part of the satellite. After this test, the Payload Module will go back to Friedrichshafen. There it will be stored till it will go to Toulouse to be mated with the surface module. Once mated, it will go through it's another test sequence before it will be shipped to Baikonur for launch in April in 2012.